Did you just did you open that? So they did a bunch of vitros and stuff like that in there. Now the streets are a little bit busy. Oh my god! You can seriously, you know, the place, the mausoleum we saw last time, we can see it from here. Oh my god, I didn't even realize that. Look at that, guys. We are probably going up there again today. I want to film everything. That is crazy. Look at those cute houses. That looks scary. It sounds like it's windy outside. I thought I heard church bells. We didn't really get that many hours of sleep. We're going to rock this day. Look at that sunshine coming in. Da-da-da. Da-da. I just said that I wanted to coffee and then we both smelled coffee. And I haven't even started. Maybe it's from downstairs. I guess that I have to use the tap water, right?
Yes. Do you want to do what we go through in this tour?
Yeah.
The Screaming Spectre of Farringdon Station, Art Pathology Museum, the old Victorian Operating Theatre,
Ooh.
Pathology of the Great, the most haunted church in the world, Smithfield, Meat Market and Bloody Mary.
Oh my god.
The good history of surgery, butchering art, body snatchers and resurrection men, Charterhouse Square and plague doctors.
That's these are so strange, guys. These are so strange. And it doesn't run faster than that. Is it on? Should be on. Blue? Okay. English breakfast. Well, have a mint. That is what I want. I actually should put you guys on a tripod now that I have it. It is so much easier. Are you filming? Look at the blue light. That is so fun. So. Honey! Look at the roof. This is the place. If anyone wants to come here. And we had room 12. Waiting for the coffee, I'm gonna put primer on. But we ain't got time for that shit. Oh my god! What was the museum you talked about? You talked about a museum last time. You wrote about something. It was something with serial killers and stuff like that. I can't remember what it was called. Look at our messages. Oh, that was nice to get this on. Oh, this is the best primer ever. Oh my god, it's... we can do a little heart. I mean, I don't know how, you know, good it is for the TV, but now I did a little heart. Maybe I should have moved it. Maybe. Do you want to have coffee?
Is there milk and sugar?
Yes.
Just maybe half a cup.
Coffee, right?
Yeah.
What the hell? I couldn't get it up, so I took a new one. There's two different kind of milk.
Oh, just give it a whole, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. What do you want?
Whole.
And she needs sugar. So we're gonna bring Kiri.
This is our old guide, I think.
Is it an old? Oh, our old guide. Oh my god, that he was so
Wait,
cute.
I'm not sure.
It is, isn't it?
Right?
Oh my god, is it Ben?
Ben!
Here, bunny.
Oh.
Watch it. Your sugar and your magic.
Oh.
Uh oh, batteries. She just has 6 batteries over there. It's my crystals.
I have one where I'm pretty much definitely sure we're able to film.
Ooh,
Because
okay.
it's a bus ride, basically.
Oh, okay. Well.
But it's like theatrical. And see the world's first psychiatric hospital.
Oh.
Plague pits. And the Bloody Tower. And Trader's Gate. You will go to several notorious haunted areas in the east. Show you the doctors waiting around every corner.
Oh my god.
So yeah, that's the first one.
That's the first one. I forgot the microphone buff thing that I brought, so if it's windy and, you know, the sound is... I am sorry in advance. So sorry. Oh! I hope you're gonna see the same tour guide because he was so cute. But I think he had a girlfriend, so... I just got ringing in my ears. Strange. It's like, Sandra, stop being attracted to people who are already in relationships.
Yes.
That's my weakness. I don't know. It just happens. Gosh, I'm excited for the caves. I am gonna film the shit out of those caves. Caves.
Film the shit out of the cakes.
Cakes. We are gonna do that at some point too. We're gonna do taste British candy cakes something. I think we might be mixing it up. Hi guys. I just need light. Hey city. The other guy?
Yeah, no, the girl.
Oh, the girl, yeah. They want more money. Kira is getting ready. This reminds me of the other place. The other place where I was filming you getting ready.
Oh yeah, what was it called?
Oh, I can't. The bear? No.
Oh yeah, the crazy bear.
The crazy bear. That place was really stupid. We haven't even told you guys about it. A man in a pink shirt and a pink hat. Wow. I mean, look at this chair. Did you just did you open that?
Which one?
Did you open that?
Nope, it keeps opening by itself. That's what I told you.
I just saw it. That was so crazy.
I know.
What of the con?
When I told you.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I mean, it happened with the big, and now it just happened with that. I saw it out of my, you know,
Corner of your eye.
the corner of my eye. I was like, what is that? Suki, what are you looking for? We tried to look for the Bible. It's not here.
Yeah.
I think she likes us. I do think that she likes us. We don't know what's happening, but we're gonna go. What the heck? Hey!
Just got a fire alarm going off. I'm not sure if it's. I'm just having a little check around.
Okay, okay. Well, then we tried that.
Can't smell anything burning, can you?
At least my brows are done.
Her brows are done. We don't know what happened. Maybe it's just a little trigger.
I hope there's no fire because I did not put shoes on.
Oh, you didn't put shoes on. I'm just ready. I even took the beanie on.
You're like, okay.
Oh my god, look at that wind.
So windy out.
I actually don't know why. But it is procedure just to go out of the room, yeah. I'm gonna get back to you guys later. Oh! Maybe it was Suki.
Maybe. like time for you to leave.
It's time for action. Suki, please turn it off again. Well, it works. Oh my god, thank you. Oh, I can still hear it somewhere. No? Now it's off. Now it's off.
It's just ringing for your ears, honey.
Maybe that's it. I have tinnitus. Alright guys, that was that action.
Hi, good morning, how are you?
Good morning, doing good. How are you?
Good morning.
Good, thank you.
This is so cute. Thank you.
Can I get you any tea or coffee?
Coffee would be great. And milk and sugar.
Look at that cute picture up there.
What do you want?
I haven't decided yet. Oh my god, that sounds amazing.
It's like the...
Yeah, avocado on toast with fresh chilies. Ooh, that's delicious too.
Yeah.
This is so cute. Is what?
Tiny.
Yeah, they are so cute. Marmalade.
Det er fint bord, det her.
It is. Look at the table. And the chairs. I love this place already. We are going to come here again. Oh, I want the other one. I think I want orange. This is so cute. Alright then.
So will the steamer actually
Do you want to do it for me?
outside of it, or do you have to do that afterwards?
No. The oven, I think, because it's a combination steamer oven, it's actually a menu.
Thank
so
you,
set
babe.
it to chicken.
Yeah, and that functions.
I just want to quickly, I want to show you guys how cute this is.
I mean, that's the wonderful thing about having
Look at this.
if you're into food and hospitality, right? What are the lines between what's yeah, exactly.
Look at the floor.
We find out that
Oh my god.
Nice, fantastic technology in the equipment. Cooking equipment.
Dum, 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 dum. I mean, this is so cute. I can't handle this cuteness.
Ved du, hvad du skal gøre?
I didn't think it was around 2 weeks. Was it 10 days? I think it was. Why do you also back on Tuesday or something like
Do that action.
Well, even though I went back playing Wednesday and Friday next week, if you're interested.
Getting Kiri's B-roll action. Thank you, girl. No, it's good. Oh my god, look at mine. They're just shit. You always have good nails. I'm actually excited for the English breakfast.
Ham der, han over den der.
Oh, that's funny. He's living in the what? What's it called? The drawer. I am not fan of the beans, actually. Oh, this is good coffee. Oh, this is a good morning. We have only slept 3 hours.
You can sleep with it.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Anything else I can get for you?
Look at this. Oh my god. Kiri got the same just with the, I don't know what you call that. Poached. Oh my god. The bacon looks different from
Det er virkelig tykke skiver bacon.
yeah, it's not like Danish bacon.
Jeg tror faktisk aldrig, jeg har smagt sådan nogle bananer.
Er det rigtigt? I don't know how to deal with my life right now. Sorry guys.
Smager bare tomato.
Gør de det?
Er du sikker på, det?
Trying the beans. All I do. I never tasted it like with tomato. It's actually good.
So you thought you didn't like it and then you liked it?
And now I like it. Well, I like theirs. The sausage. This is so cute.
It is some hot.
This is so cute. So cute.
You add sour cream, mature tangy cheese that's easy to crumble. Fresh coriander.
It really tastes like it's homemade. Oh my god. We're gonna eat and see you guys later. This is it. Can't eat anymore, but this was so delicious. Oh my god.
It was really good.
Whew. If you guys are in West Wycombe Bay at George and the Dragon, you have to try their food because it's
really good.
It's really, really good. So cute. The sun is shining.
Samtidig med det regner.
I don't think it's raining right now. It's like on off. Look at the pillow. How cute. Oh dear. Oh dear. It was like the video you uploaded with Den Gamle By.
Yeah.
Oh dear. So we are saying bye bye for now. Yes. Oh my god, this is just amazing what it's designed. Bye. Now you're ready. Ready, Freddy. Do you remember this? Walking here. We were over there last time. Look how cute this looks. It's just... It's old. I'm so excited for the caves. Oh yeah, it's here with the tiny doors. Look at that tiny door, that's crazy.
It's like our size.
It is. I mean... Okay, we need to, should we run? Not run, we don't have to run. See, remember this place?
Oh, this door. This door.
Oh yeah, the door.
We both had that on our Instagram.
Yeah. We do. Remember guys, if you've been following us for a long time, you know. I mean, this is so crazy. This is just better quality. No shakiness. Seriously. Look at those doors, it's crazy. This is so cute.
Remember we took pictures of this?
Yeah. And we, you know, it smelled like smoke. I think it is. Yeah.
Coffee, tea and cake.
It's so cute. Alright. Oh yeah, true.
So the hike begins.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look!
They renovated this, didn't they?
They might have.
It's not like that.
No. This is so cute. Everything is just... look at this. Oh my god.
Cute and flowery.
This is good for our energy.
Wait, what time of year were we here last?
It was February.
Was it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I remember I took a picture of this. With the tiny... Oh, is it what is it?
I think it's private property.
Yeah. But because I think it might be a museum or something, because over there it says please remember to lock the gate. It's so cute. Okay guys, hiking begins. Do you remember our shoes were so f***ed up?
Oh yeah,
we had muddy shoes.
As
oh
well.
Yes, you did.
I'm wearing more sensible shoes this time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Me too. You have to go see that vlog because that was so funny.
Yeah.
There was a bench up here, and
we took a break on it.
A break, yeah, and we took leaves and no, it was tissues because we had to remove the the mud. Because of the strictness of the other hotel that we might talk about at some point. No.
Stay tuned for that.
Oh yeah. It looks like something from Hogwarts. Harry Potter. Look at that cuteness. Oh my god, guys.
That's like... Yeah, those vibes.
It does. Whew. I mean... Yeah. But I think it's because we've been eating. I think that's the problem. Okay. This is so cute. Oh my god.
In the museum.
Oh yeah, it might be. We're gonna check that out next time. See? We were sitting here last time. Our old bench. Yeah. Bye bye, bench buddy. Okay, I'm gonna film when something interesting happens. No. Yeah, but it's up. It's the same place.
But wasn't there like an entry down here? This is the some stor parkeringsplads.
You're gonna see what I mean. There's the, the entrance here.
Oh, okay.
And then we just took a little, like there, we walked up there.
Yeah.
And today it's not muddy. Kiri was so close, so close to fall.
I literally fell on my ass several times on the trip.
Yeah. Well, it was closed.
No, I did once.
You did?
On the way down.
I can't remember that.
Like just here. Like we were almost there and I was like, yes, I didn't fall, and then I fell.
Oh shit. Well, please don't fall today. This is so cool. Yeah, I can't deal. Well, it is open today. We are lucky. Guys, it's open! Okay, oh my god. Da 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 da! Are you guys ready? Ready for paranormal activity?
It's the thing that's happening. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, I'm so excited. This is gonna be amazing.
It really is.
Oh, look at that beauty. So we went that way last time. We're gonna take that road. Oh, that.
This way and then like here and then up here.
Yeah, that was so dramatic. So.
Caves up here. These things.
So they did a bunch of rituals and stuff like that in there.
Yeah.
Should we go? Okay, let's find out. I think we are going in there. Gonna close. Where do you see that? Oh, there. Look at that cuteness. We are in love. Oh yeah. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Okay, well. I can't put that in my suitcase.
I can put it in mine. I have both.
Not both of them.
Then
oh, that's cute.
the black one.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I like that. I really want that.
Tea?
Oh my god. Well, we can always, you know.
Come back.
Yeah.
This one.
You can get a Hellfire Caves erasers. Oh my god. That is so cute. So we don't want... Yeah. Oh, a teddy bear. Oh yeah. Well. So you guys can see how much it is. This is a... Yep. I am...
Let's go den her, så den fokuserer. Because I have no...
Go away lidt.
Og sådan noget måske.
Yeah. I guess we... no, I don't think we're going to keep them.
No.
It's an eagle on it. Into the cave we go. Do not enter. By the way, maybe I should take one moment. I need to... Okay, now we're ready. We have to Instagram, Snapchat and everything else. I'm gonna wait for Kiri. Do not enter. It's raining.
Do not enter. Let's go.
Yes. Bye. Okay. So you here, right?
Yeah.
Do I need to push something? No. Oh. Yeah, because we have to let them go anyway.
Wait, so we are here?
Yeah. So when we come to, you know, then there is a little udstilling.
Okay.
And we have to remember that we can go all the way around before we can, you know. I'm gonna go that way. I don't know if you want to split up. All right. See you. Yell if there is anything. Okay, guys, we are on our own. Oh my god. Anyone here? Look at that. Now I know why we should take, you know, proper... my god, it's windy!
It's really windy.
That is kind
I
of...
regret not buying those, bringing those thingies, thingamabops.
For what?
The covers.
Covers?
The covers for the microphone.
Yeah, I do too. I'm sorry guys, I forgot them. I'm gonna take my scarf on because oh, maybe I shouldn't film random people. I'm gonna take this off because I don't have
this.
any.
It have to be enough.
Yeah, exactly.
My scarf is in the suitcase, which they were kind enough to let us leave at the office at the hotel, so
that was
we
amazing.
don't have to worry about that at all. We
No.
can just come back and get it when we want.
Just not 2 o'clock in the night.
No, maybe not that. They were so kind about that though.
My god, yeah.
Yeah, so what happened was, long story short, because we didn't really film yet about that, sort of. You did a little bit. Yeah, you did a little bit,
From
yeah.
when we got in to the door, when you saw the cat, I was beginning to film it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, that's true.
So I'm gonna give Kiri the footage so she can show it.
Yeah.
Her and her cat story.
Yeah.
She was so adored by the
It
cat.
was so cute though, and fluffy and pretty. And yeah, but we were really, really late. The thing is that the check-in closed at midnight. So, and as it was, we were not gonna be there until like 1 p.m. or something like that. But then our flight was delayed, and then we ended up being there at like 2:30 or something. But they left the door open for us, so it was really, really kind of
So amazing.
and then they left the key out and everything, so we could just literally walk in and go to bed. It was
Yeah.
amazing.
And we didn't go to bed before 3?
No, 3:30.
3:30. Because we did film at night.
We did, and then yeah, you're gonna have to see that soon. It was fun.
Yeah.
And then yeah, and then we got up. What time did we get up actually?
Well, I woke up at 7 and you 7:30.
Yeah, okay, 7 and 7:30. I remember hearing your alarm. I was just like, nope.
And I was cuddling with Kiri. I was like, good morning!
Like, Mellow, I'm not ready for this yet.
I was just ready.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that actually?
Ready for filming and London and, well, technically not London, but you know. That is so strange, by the way. Have you noticed that?
What?
I have been to London so many times, I have no clue where anything is compared to each other.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I don't know.
No,
I have no
true.
idea. It's so weird.
Do you think it's because we're taking Ubers?
Maybe. So we don't really get a sense of direction. Of
Yeah,
where we're going and
exactly.
stuff
I
like
think
that.
we love Ubers.
Yeah.
We don't take trains and buses. So if
we
you
don't have to use our brain hole that way.
no. Yeah. So if you want to see us take trains and buses, then you're beeped.
Shit on of us.
Yeah.
Meh.
You have to go to Kiri's the last videos he uploaded about the old city. What is it called? A visit to the old city?
A walk through the old city, I think.
Yeah, and it's the number 3, right?
Yeah, it's the number 3.
She did a very impressive cow impression.
Yeah. It was stunning.
It was stunning.
Amazing.
So go over and say amazing. I'm gonna cut here and get back to you guys when we are taking the walk again.
When something interesting happens.
Yeah.
See you soon.
By the way, back then I had my big bag. Do you remember that? When I was when we were walking up there, I don't.
That
have
was a mistake.
That was a big mistake.
So many mistakes were made.
Well, you have to go see the video because there was a thing with a dog and Kiri. Remember? Yeah, it was.
It was really angry too.
Oh, it was.
Such an angry puppy.
Yeah. Go watch the video, then you know. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, we could do that too. Just packing up the backpack. So.
Let me just.
What? Yeah. Ringkøbing. Ringkøbing.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys ready for a second trip up there? Second run, just better camera quality this time. The struggle is real, guys. What?
I'm scared because I slipped last time.
Oh, it's not that. It doesn't seem that. Ooh, look at that tree. It doesn't seem that. You know.
I'm not gonna jump all the way up because. Yeah.
Because you're afraid you're gonna fall. Isn't it? Was it always was on?
No.
What is it?
Jeg havde den på auto.
Jamen så bare put den på auto igen, hvis du vil det. Try to see if it works for you. Okay, I have my scarf. I'm ready. Ooh, it was this way, wasn't it? Yeah. I mean, look at this. Oh my god. Yeah. Do that. It looks different. Otherwise, it's because there's a little bit more grass.
Yeah.
I'm actually. Oh, I'm actually not sure. Oh my god! Smacking my own ass. Go over to Kiri if you want to see that. This looks So much different from back then. I'm already dead. Guys, I'm already dead. Well, hee-hoo! Come on, girl! There it is again. We are back. Look at them. They were dancing. So now we have to go all the way up there. So we are not done. We didn't get enough workout. We're gonna get so much pain in our thighs. You guys ready? Hold on to your hats. Hold on to your everything. But look at the view. Look at the view. This is so good. I don't know if I'm gonna film all the way up there, but because the only thing you guys are gonna hear is my so see you guys in a while. Let's get some cheap action here. Yeah, it does look like popcorn.
It's not.
It's from the tree. It's palm. It's what I'm allergic to.
Me too.
Oh my god. I can't zoom more in. Well, cheap. Cheap. So right now we are actually walking above the cave system. So like we are going towards heaven. And underneath is hell. Oh, that's what, you know, they wanted to. Oh, actually it is there. We can film in or zoom in. So another time we are going to visit. That's not gonna be today. But look,
We don't have time.
no.
Next check-in is at 3 p.m.
Yep, and we are going all the way to London.